Hi, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm Beer Loving Dietitian, and today I wanted to shift gears and talk about nutrition. I actually want to do a series that is based on things that people ask me, people being clients ask me. And if they're asking me these questions, then you might have these questions too. So I just thought it would be an interesting series to run. Before we start today, I also need to tell you that this is not advice that I'm providing with you. I don't know you or your medical history. I am providing you with some information that will hopefully pique your interest a little further. And if you do want to talk to somebody about it, you can contact your primary care provider or a dietitian in your area. Today's question is, can I eat eggs? I get asked this question by so many people, and what they're really trying to find out is, will eggs raise my cholesterol? And there's so much mixed messaging out there on the subject, it's no wonder people are confused. So let's get started. Yes, eggs are a very high source of cholesterol, weighing in at about 200 milligrams per large egg. Aside from the cholesterol, eggs do impart a lot of nutrition. So they have it's a good source of protein. It also a good source of iron and folate, as well as some B vitamins like B12 and A, D, and E. And that's just some of the nutrients. I'm not going to list them all here, but you get the picture. It's balancing things, right? Like, so yes, it has cholesterol, but it has all of these other nutrients as well. Aside from eggs, we can find cholesterol in all foods from animals. So cholesterol is pretty high also in shrimp, but we also have sources of cholesterol from meat products and dairy and chicken and fish. We also have cholesterol. So cholesterol is made in our liver, and it is made by foods that we eat. So typically foods that contain saturated and trans fats. And the liver then converts those into cholesterol. The cholesterol that we eat in our diet is responsible for very little of the cholesterol in our blood, although some people do absorb a lot of cholesterol from their blood, and it's thought that genetics play a role there. All this talk about cholesterol, but I haven't actually talked about what it is. So cholesterol is a waxy substance that's found in the blood, and there are two main types of cholesterol. There's the HDL and the LDL. Do you have any idea which one's the good one and which one's the bad one? So there is a way that a thing that I do to remember. So I think of H for healthy and you want it high. So the HDL is your good cholesterol, and then LDL, L for lousy, and you want it low. So the HDL is your good cholesterol, the LDL is your bad cholesterol. It's not all bad though. So we do need some cholesterol. Cholesterol can help in the production of hormones, also bile and vitamin D. So that's a little bit about cholesterol. Okay, we've reached the bottom line. So there are many things that can lead to the buildup of LDL in the arteries. And for most people, one of those things is not cholesterol in your diet. But for some, that can play a larger role. So if you do have elevated cholesterol and you want to work on some things that can help to lower it, taking out eggs is probably not the thing. Instead, look at limiting things like saturated and trans fat, as well as sugars, like added sugars, and adding things like healthy fats and fiber. Eggs provide a lot of nutrition and are very versatile. We can eat them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner and prepare them a different way each time. They're also an inexpensive source of protein. So that question, can I eat eggs? The answer is a resounding yes. Unless, of course, you have a food allergy to eggs, and then it would be a resounding no. However, if you have very high cholesterol and you have been working on your diet for a while and not really seeing it budging, cholesterol in your diet might be playing a role. And I say might be because you still might not be doing everything that you can be doing because you don't know what you don't know. But if you are concerned about your high cholesterol, I would recommend going to see your doctor or nurse practitioner and speaking with them about it. And also get yourself a referral to a dietitian. Registered dietitians are equipped to help you achieve a balanced diet containing all foods. So allowing all foods to fit in your diet regardless of what your medical conditions are. Well, that is the answer to can I eat eggs? I hope that you've come out of this video with an understanding of what your answer to that question is. And if you have learned something today, please hit like. And if you'd like to see more of the videos like this, please subscribe. If there is a nutrition topic that you'd like to know more about, please put it in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.